Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can log in on the app Duolingo. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So in the bottom corner, there is a search bar. You just need to click on it and search the app, and it has already shown on the search result. I'll just click on it and the app will be opened. So in order to log in, I need to press I already have an account because I already have an account since I have signed up already. I'll just press on it. Now I just need to add my email and my address and my password as well. When I have successfully added my email and password, there is a login button just below the password section. I will just need to click on it and I have to wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, I have successfully been able to log in on the app Duolingo. So this is how you can log in on the app Duolingo. So if this video was helpful to you, press the like button. Thank you.